Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your Tron to your bank account. It's quite easy to get this done. Simply locate your Tron on your wallet, and as far as your Tron is enabled, all you need to do is simply scroll till you find it. If you can't find it on the main crypto page, by using the Manage Crypto tab at the top right corner of the screen, click on this and simply search for TRX. By doing this, you can find the Tron there. Click on this Tron and simply click on send. So guys, click on the send option and you're taken to the address or domain section. On this section, we're going to be filling it up with our Binance address, which we're going to be getting from Binance. So now, in order to work with Binance, minimize and open up the platform. Once it's opened up, make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is quite simple. Click on the deposit option that's at the top of the screen. Click on this deposit and simply search for TRX. So TRX, Tron, and once you found Tron, select Tron. And make sure you're sending over the native Tron, as that's what we're working with, native Tron. Click on TRC20. Copy the deposit address, minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. Now with Trust Wallet opened up, click on the send option once more, paste the address there, enter the amount and click on next. By doing this, we get to send our Tron over to the Binance platform from Trust Wallet. So all you need to do is a simple click on confirm and enter your passcode. So guys, once you've withdrawn from your Trust Wallet, head over to your Binance platform, do a simple reload. And once you've reloaded, you'd find that your Tron has been deposited here. So head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. And as you can see, the Tron we just sent from Trust Wallet is here. So now in order to sell this Tron, all you have to do is quite simple. Simply click on the home icon at the left, click on home, select the convert icon. Once you've selected convert, simply click on max, click on Bitcoin and search for the USDT. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be converting our Tron directly into the USDT so we can sell it. And by doing this, we've successfully converted our Tron into the USDT. Please make sure you're selling a large amount of Tron, else it's not going to work. So when I mean a large amount, something higher than $3. So let's say $4 to $5. So once you've gotten your Tron converted, simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right. The USDT we got from there, click on this transfer on the spot wallet. Make sure your Tron is on the spot wallet when you're clicking on transfer. Click on transfer, enter the amount, click on confirm transfer, scroll over to the funding wallet, do a simple reload, click on P2P, that's this P2P option here. Click on the P2P option, click on OK. And once you've selected OK, make sure you, like I said before, make sure you have an account on Binance. Head over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the payment method option, which is just here. Once you've selected the payment method options, you're met with the options based on your region. So if you click add a payment method, any of the banks that are available for you to use are based on region. So once that's done, once you've added a bank account, head back home, click on the sell option and simply click on the sell, enter the amount you wish to sell. Let's say we've got 40 USDT from that convert. All we need to do is enter a payment method and simply click on sell. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.